Sensibility and practicality define the 2014 Honda Civic. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is still under 75,000 kilometers. It features a standard transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Honda are offered, including delay-off headlights, a tachometer, remote keyless entry, and much more. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.